Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing the cutest little sweet Valentine's Day set. This is absolutely my favorite one in the little series that I did for this, and I just could not get enough of the set. I'm currently wearing it and staring at it. It's only, I think, like 4 days old on my nails, and I just cannot get enough of it. I love that I did like opposite nails on each hand. So like if I'm looking at my pointers, they're not the same. Middle, ring. Anyway, I know, shiny object syndrome. So I am taking sugar coated on that ring finger, and I love sugar coated so much. It's kind of my fan favorite for this Valentine's Day. I know Light Elegance just came out with another like little duo for Valentine's Day, and I actually have it, but I filmed this before I had it, so I can link that video up in the corner. It's top right, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty bad at it. So anyway, I am taking Sweatie Pie, and this is such a beautiful color. I love this one so much, and it is just speaking to me. I don't know why, but as soon as I got this color, I just had to use it. I originally saw this color in Talia's Nail Tales. She did her winter set. I don't remember which winter set it was. I think it was the pink one, and I think that was like my favorite one. I actually need to go back and watch it and see how she used it. It's been about a month since I've watched it, and when I watch her videos, I just look at the colors she uses and I just start putting them in my basket. So when I have enough and I'm like, okay, I'll make the purchase, it's literally, they just sit in my basket. So again, I am just taking a thin layer, and then I build it up just a little bit, not a lot. The pinky was like the easiest one for me to do because I could get enough on there. But if you notice on the other ones, I kind of did the same thing as I did with the ring finger and put some down. You can see it there because I forgot to hit record when I was starting this, so that's why it's halfway through. You could see there's like that tiny layer, and then I kind of come in with a little bit more of a glob and then just feather it down the nail, because this is a shimmery color, and so you can see, like if you're not straight, you can see the line. So that's kind of why I just feathered it down and let it sit, and then I cured it. So perfecting the cuticle is always the most important part on layer one. I mean, all of them, but layer one specifically, at least in my opinion, because I rather have my second coat go a lot easier than my first coat. So I'm coming in with my second coat, you can see, and just ever so slightly feathering it down, keeping most of the bulk again towards the back of the nail. I find that is the easiest for me to get the thin nail look that I'm going for. I don't want them to be too thin because, I don't want to have cracked nails or broken nails, but I definitely like my nails on the thinner side. Although when you start doing a lot of glitters and then you do a bunch of other things, it tends to get thicker. So like the more things you do, the thicker your nails get. So I'm working on trying to find that happy balance. But again, we're kind of getting off topic here, but it's okay. All right, so we're still continuing with the second coat. I keep my videos mostly in real time because I feel like you guys like that the most, because you feel like you can really see what I'm doing with the brush. So I still keep getting really good responses on that. So if you still like that, let me know. If you want me to just do like super fast forward, I can do that as well. But so far you guys seem to like the slow motion or like real time. All right, so now we are going to do the slip layer, and then we're gonna grab that bulge of gel here and just place it on the nail. And it's so satisfying to squish that on the nail. I know I'm really low in the camera. I think I figured out about halfway through, and then I move up. There we go. And this is real time, so I am pushing, pulling down some more. It's a little bit cold in my studio. I'm using one step, but it's still cold. So someone suggested in my last video, since cool gel is very thick for me, like really hard to use, I use one step on myself because I find it easier to use. But to get a candle warmer and put your gel on. And I was like, oh my God, that's such a genius idea. I've heard of it before, but like it was a long time ago, and just like shiny object syndrome, like anything else in my life, it just occurred to me to do that. When she said it, I was like, oh my God, yeah, I heard that, because everyone says they should do that with fusion gels. I'm like, I never like thought about it for light elegance. I don't know why. Probably because I don't really have issues, but I think this winter is a little bit chillier in my house than it was last winter. So I don't know, but all right, magic of editing. We are filed and buffed, and we're coming in with the second layer of everything. Again, that is sugar coated, and then that pink is Sweetie Pie. No, Sweetie Pie, I'm sorry. So I'm just touching up the little areas that I kind of, took off, because I always do that. I haven't found really good way. I'm getting better, but again, I haven't perfected it. I wish I could be a magician and just, do it. Okay, striping tape, the bane of everyone's existence. So my trick, and I'm sure this is everybody else's trick too once you figure it out, go ahead and trim off the piece. Like, look how long my piece is. And look at, I'm touching everything but what's actually sticking to the nail. So make it really long. You're not going to waste your 99-cent striping tape for like all of them. But literally, so take off the tacky layer, or like the inhibition layer, and then come in, I know I'm out of focus, and make it really long and push it. And then top coat immediately. That is what I forgot to show you in this. Top coated immediately, you can see it's shiny, so it is top coated. And now I'm taking another, this is the Kira Sky No Wipe Top Coat, no wipe top coat. So I am doing a chrome nail. So I'm going to flash cure both of these at the same time, but I forgot to show you that. But you can see it's already top coated. And I make sure I get a really good coverage on the nail. So you can kind of see I go back and forth, because I feel like chrome is going to show everything. So I want it to look really nice. I probably made it a little too thick, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm just taking a pinkish chrome. Unfortunately, I don't have the name of it. I am so sorry. I know I hate when people do that, but I don't. You can go on AliExpress and see they have a million different chrome finishes. So I give that a full cure. And now we're taking clear jelly stamper plate. I just got this in. You'll see this in a haul soon. I'm taking the Born Pretty Polish in 11, and then the Bundle Monster in the white here, which you'll see, yep, here we go. And it is, I think, Snow White is the name. Nope, I was close. Anyway, so I'm going to be doing some stamping. I did about 3 different stamps to see how I wanted this layout, because I did it on my thumb. I had a lot more room on my thumb last time than I did this finger, so you can see I'm going to cut it to the part I actually do it on. But I love this plate so much. I love those roses. I didn't do the base one though, and I just did these ones. So you can see on the plate there were like 3 different ones you do. Oh yeah, trick. Take a credit card or whatever your thing is and take off all the extra stuff before you stamp. All right, I know this is quick and it's already over, but thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.